How to turn off 5 iPhone settings you don't need. In this tutorial, I'll show you which settings to disable in iOS 26 for better privacy and battery life. First, open Settings and tap Privacy and Security. Scroll down to Analytics and Improvements and turn off the available sharing options if you don't want to send usage analytics to Apple. Next, go to Apple Advertising and turn off personalized ads. For location privacy, tap Location Services and review which apps have access to your location. Set unnecessary apps to never, or choose while using the app when location access is needed. Also, open Safari under Settings/Apps/Safari. Under Privacy and Security, turn on Prevent Cross-Site Tracking and hide IP address for trackers. Finally, go to General/Background App Refresh. Turn it off completely or disable it for apps that don't need to refresh in the background. That's it. These settings can help reduce unnecessary background activity and give you more control over your iPhone. If this video helped you, please like, share, and subscribe for more helpful iPhone tips and tutorials.